Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Na taniema mputu nyuma hodo NPP mu ye ne ade na wo hwe emadodo a former president John Mahama enya ye wabato no ma. Were you shocked?
I was shocked. I was mass 6 million Mahama nyai. But why are they? He has done extremely well. From 44% to 47%, you know, it's a remarkable achievement. It's no other Mahama Bonakoko, the Mayate, no Okaman Crofo, no strategy as well. Ebian and Yamimbe when mobile. Now I'm in 2024. Mama, why? What? Sorry. In your man story, you know, it did happen 2012. Yeah, Cobra Sport. I led people to Cobra Sport. Make you tell me passion. Mukobom.
Nana go to
Bullet to prepare on ocean. Now, I quite remember Jake. Meet me jeep. Nemenya Otanga. No see, Ebo. Where are you going? Miss, we are going to Cobra Sport. Also, what are you holding? Miss, this is my pump passion. How many bullets? Miss, one. Because you are crazy. You are not going to do that, and who will allow you? You know the party very well. In your party, at least it can whom I was starting agreeing. So you can't do that. You win him there, yeah, party no. Yeah, the fact is say lose or your no. The court is the opta. The papa catch court. Into Maramo boom. I feel me to come. Me drive if you are back to. Oh, me drive if you from back to. Me kai me the GPB. Neni papa ne aboko jay ye nyabre ko. Ye we better if ye. At the end of the day, reality set in. We've lost. But Moab Shehan crying and the Supreme Court na Ukraine. He only opened our eyes and encouraged us.
More 2012 man year demonstrations.
We did. But the Antra 48 hours. Nationwide. It did happen only Obra Sport. And the young before me be so called multimedia which the party hierarchy they went there to apologize and they did condemn that act.
Other places, the one demonstration.
No, it did happen in only Obra Sport Accra. I led them because them Mark
rebel leader.
Them Mahama etum echimiensa koyechi. Yeah, when the 27-0 by no. Jesus Christ finger. Kakasunanka 27-0. What the year 270. Emma for a young catcher and there. While registered nipa over 200,000 were breaching. Uncle for people and brought the 15 or the bay. So all these things went on. But Nanado, as we know, or say, I don't accept the verdict. But Ghanensi, my jatum, nama bua aban mo and we did help them.
That's all. And it's almost on court, but they need to gather the evidence.
Oh, what? How many minutes will they gather evidence? If
we don't go point out, can you some MPP moko court no moko. Me fancy 2 about 7 December we no. Moko court to somewhere 28.
Montedam, Mami Biama, once you have 21 days to seek for redress. Bright Aferijan be declare election. Yeah, the pink sheet to Cornwall. So hold on. Oh yes, me pink sheet, you know. But so far as I am the returning officer to the presidency, no Makoso announced the Munko court. So we give clear indication to Aferijan. There, Yabako court also say, oh, my constitutional crisis, so he will go on to announce the winner, but we should go to court. Until within 48 hours, make your intention known. Say ye normally be some are part of the country. Say figures no, it doesn't tally with what the Electoral Commission declare. Any say I see a rely on pulling agent to bring pin sheeter as summer fiancé. That is why the Almighty Joe Anochi came to being. So we learn our lesson from 2012.
The strategies then at this time we put in place.
Oh, that my year in 2016, no.
More independent. Man rely so much on the pink sheets. Well, what did you do?
Say 2012, no. Now you rely on the pulling agent. Some form pink sheet in bra.
Okay.
As a time and you back court, you send a pink sheet in be because they need robust machine. Obetuma pick as we did 2016. Into a man penny for no quadrin and now Almighty Joe Anochi. Yamin Shren, Nini team. Yadi Beguho led my McMenu campaign manager. Yet to me, she shared Yama 2016. Yet projected by 12 o'clock. Yet to me, press conference through McMenu. The young projections are figure Nanado winning. Nanado 53 point something. Impo say more betting Yabaka. So Nanado is going to be declared winner. The Electoral Commission led by Charlotte Osei Obeke said, "Nini machines ya temper." Do you know what they were doing? 2012 they were hack machines, you know. This time, no, you rely on their machines. So we did focus on the pink sheet. Inti me na me pull agent that time. Me we yala. Ye tablet we ye can we na. What do me pink sheet? Me na me check crowd. At the moment, any phone be check crowd no. Automatically, na wa call data center.
Oh, okay.
And then ankasa machine ankasa why in such a way but remember na the bubu ya mat me fairly mat photo.
It's machine and calculations.
Everything yankopon accurate no dreba nti bebenya no rebom ma mebenya no rebom no fine no or create no to film no add no any percentage chinda 12012 work for ambulance now what ko share STS wo jowulu yakwachi won ho what the ambulance she ho wo ye nyema bi
ambulance yo mo dey there.
They use ambulance to do their tricks. John Mahama or ambulance ijimba me yehu na
Oti ambulance say as oyare and said
then ambulance na mo yere for no them not knowing we were targeting their Land Cruisers but omu BT into it ambulance kwa yere for no them na ye ho no be ring say when we ambulance to be abehye jowulo ho na ni mo hofie bi wo ho ye trace nyi ho anifia o ye hudu ya anifia and I want to say one set up my STS Korea STS one of Israel. That is where they did their thing. It's what transmit figures in the bar or intercept Excel form. No, 1, 2, 2, 3. Don't me yet one there. 2008. Yeah, to Abano. First round, Nado Lidi at Mills, candidate Mills. Then may he so rest in peace. 115,000 popular votes. Then you call second round. What they did, many NDC officer be Kasai or a regional officer, still or officer, mean Bonnie Ding. Yeah, if you are assembly. Me or assembly member almost me assembly member but them have opposition but we were the majority elected members instead they needed us to also confirm their metropolitan chief executive what has more catch omo the machine go kwem there every polling station be so me 3 vote free 3 or 5
every police
across
station.
the 29,000 then into that machinery no worked. Because no my propaganda so many majority sit am benyo do imara mpo yenya majority into na don't po be the president obey den we bu man and that thing sank Ghana Fuji tum they did that magic and it did work. It is a polling station be onya 3 free or oh we bebre we are 3 we are 5 calculated to 29,000 across the country and I just would deficit no one or cancel it or appreciate it. That led the 43. Into Sanya you putting together. Them a Mary. Obofo Gabriel Rebecca and say, where shall we fun by Jesus? Also, me didn't yalla shamak mem. Na me GD there on Yaho. Them was something. So we also took it by faith and put it in our belly and believe say be yenya masasa. And by the grace of God, ye no or ye dwama in 2016. On the ye shemukina 2020. Wo be je ho kade wo we win went to man for copy of a pink sheet one fan but do you know what they were doing mama nka secret bin chiro NDC why adepa per Vincent Assisi 1997 Vincent Assisi NDC for your congress bi na mo bae no na Vincent Assisi wo ye an interview o say NDC and your political party it's a political machine. When there is election you put the machine together to win election, and after the election, you put the machine away.
I say the Oma Bay political party.
And now Tony Edusuka some say on wage NDC platforms so called wage programs because party wondering how to foment policies and programs per their social democrats, you know, but rather they think of how to win election without programs. Into on wage. Any no mama then or shama rechichire there NDC can never be political party.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.